how to share a draft on TikTok or how to share your TikTok drafts. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can share a draft on TikTok. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you wanna make sure your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. If not, so you wanna go ahead to Play Store and App Store and update it. Once you update it, simply open it and head into profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you should be able to find your drafts if you have any here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see the drafts. Now I'll just tap on this particular draft here. Now as you can see, there is no any share option, and you don't get any share option, and you won't be able to share your drafts as well. So what you can do is at the right hand side of the screen, you can see the save option below the settings icon there at the top right corner of the screen. You want to simply tap on save, and you want to make sure the video gets saved. Now once you can see it's saved to album. Once it is saved, you can go ahead and you can share it to any of your friends on your Messenger or Facebook or Instagram that you want. Once it's downloaded to your gallery, now you can see it's downloaded to my gallery. Now if you want to go ahead and do this without saving it to your gallery, the other way is you can go ahead and you can post this, and once you post this, once it's uploaded, you can go ahead and tap on three dots and tap on share, and you can copy link or save it to any other applications that you wish to. So this way you can share a draft on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.